Welcome back, guys. It's another day and another car. It's finally time to work on the Integra, the Integra with the JDM front end on it. And we're gonna get the K20 done in it. We've got the donor car here you saw in the last video. This is the other Integra, and we're gonna get this all together. We're gonna end up taking the GSR interior out of here and putting it in here, because this is a GSR car that's missing the interior. So we'll get that done. K20, 6-speed. And let's go take a look at the mountain of parts I have for these two cars. It's not a mountain of parts, but for a guy who doesn't build a lot of Hondas until recently, it seems to be accumulating a lot. This would be the mountain of Civic parts coming in. So we've got everything. We've got our clutch here. We've got some seats, steering wheel hub adapter. We've got a mount kit for the K20 going into the red Integra. Oh, some Integra Type R axles, tires for my Supra. We've got some seat belts. I don't even know what this is. Shifter for the red car. Swap header for the red car. You can see kind of there. Blow off valve for the CRX. Exhaust for the red car. I don't even know what else there is. Over here we've got more stuff. So this is a K20 A3 I originally bought to put in the red car. But then I actually came across this K20 Z3, or Z if you're pronounced it that way, with the 6-speed transmission limited slip. So we're going to do that. And then I have another K20 A3 with a 6-speed non-limited slip diff over here. And then another 6-speed transmission there that I may put in the CRX. I need to take the gears out of that and put them into the CRX all-wheel drive housing. So things are accumulating. Let's get busy. You know what, maybe you're unfamiliar with this car. Maybe you haven't watched what we've started. So we've already done the JDM front end on it. It's got a couple things to do in here. I do have a steering wheel for it. I didn't show you guys that, I forgot about that. That's the battery tray. And it's a really nice car, super clean. I'm gonna take the hatch off. I'm gonna have these holes welded up. It did have a Type R spoiler on it, but I think I like it without it. And somebody did paint the hatch at one point for whatever reason. Didn't fill these, I just painted over them. It's kind of, I don't know, Mickey Mouse, but we'll get these filled up. And then looking under the hood, let's take a look-see here. So this is actually a carbon hood, but somebody painted it. So it's all been painted, but depending how the sun hits it, you can see the carbon on it. So yeah, we'll get the mount on the left side back on. We need to use that mount in the center. This mount, somebody did a hack job pulling the heater lines off, so we hopefully don't have to put a core in it. We'll get those round again, hopefully. We'll give this a good spray, wash under here, and we'll have to get the power steering lines. We're gonna need a clutch line for sure, which I've overlooked until now. And get things going here. It's gonna be a really cool car for somebody. Oh, and then the wiper assembly, if you don't know, that's the parts car. So if you're wondering, the wiper motor, wiper arms and stuff are gonna come out of there. So yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna get busy on this. If you don't know, this was a parts car I bought. I did need the B18 out of it, so that was one reason I bought it. I couldn't find a B18 anywhere. I do need the back seat out of this car for this car, so it all works out in the end. We're gonna get these things together. We're gonna make one car. It's gonna be a beautiful car for somebody. I'm looking forward to it. Here's the Integra. I always liked on the Hondas when you can see all the aluminum under there. Oh yeah, Tegan. What do you think? Do you like Integras? Eh. This is gonna be a pretty cool Integra.
Yeah. Cool Integra with no hood prop.
Where's the hood prop? What in the hell? Hold on a sec. At least we have a parts car outside. I'll go get a hood prop. See, I really didn't want to buy this thing for $2,200, but it's little things like a hood prop that we need now, that it's just going to come in that much more handy. So let's grab a hood prop here. Just like that, we got a hood prop. All right, life-changing. So we grabbed a hood prop, but we've decided to just remove the hood. Anyway, so we got these. Hey, look at this. How nice is this built piece of aluminum?
Ooh, she's fresh.
It's pretty nice.
Where's this one?
That one's that one.
That side.
Yeah.
I guess you go on the engine, but
Yeah, just like that. Perfect. Just like a puzzle, Tegan. It only goes one way. Right?
One way?
Yeah.
Wow. I mean,
Nice looking parts though. And then we have our header. Pretty cool. Race pipe, header. Tegan, what do you think of this header, bud?
shiny.
Pretty cool. Should work.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Let's get her done.
Nice. Nice. Should look good back there. All right, Tegan, you're gonna get all this apart. We're gonna take all this off. We need to keep the ECU though.
Yeah.
And yeah, cool. Well, initial test fit. Tegan's over there doing something with the header. What are you doing there, Tegan? Making room?
Well, it's not sitting flush against the flange, so it's not sitting right.
Yeah.
where it would in the
I
chassis.
see. You remember I said we would forget stuff? I just realized the CV axle we don't have the intermediate shaft. We only have the outer shaft.
Oh.
So we need the intermediate. So we'll have to get that. But yeah, looks good in there.
It's like this fit. It's gonna go a lot further back once it's.
Yeah, once it's in its spot, yeah. But yeah, this has to line up over here, so it's got to go a few inches back.
Maybe I'll just pull the
Yeah,
header
that
out
you can
for
see
now.
too. I mean, the header's not hard to get in there after, so we can just take it out.
We'll just pull the header out.
Yeah. All right, so as we've learned, we're gonna need a different header. So we need a header that goes straight down and back, not just the angle one. So that's one thing. And yeah, we've got the harness we got to put on here. You took the AC pump off, I see. The compressor. Nice.
Pull the AC pump, pull the non-power steering idler off.
Oh, yeah.
Power steering.
Yeah, we will have power steering, yeah. Oh, because this would have been electric power steering. Yes. Yeah, well, we have the other K20 over there. We can rob the power steering pump off if we want to. Or we'll just get a new one for this, probably. Cool. Cool, cool. Well, I'm going to go order a header. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if it supports its own weight. Oh, didn't even move half an inch.
Solid.
Yeah.
Here, these motors are shaky, so.
Is that sitting against something? How is it that solid?
I don't think it's sitting.
Because the K20 of my CRX moves more than that.
Yeah, that's some solid mounts in
Well, all the power to the ground then, I guess.
here.
Yeah. Cool. Well, let's pull everything out from underneath it and we'll drop her down. All right, Tegan, next step up is the wiring. So that's installed. What's next? Power steering pump? I'll install that too. Hold on a sec. Just kidding. Nice. Well, this is nice. Everything's labeled on it. So it's pretty straightforward. Well, that's it, guys. We got the K20 in there. Things are moving in the right direction. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll make sure I ask them. Best of my ability. Make sure you hit the subscribe button because if you want to follow this build, there's going to be more like it. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.